Hey guys, so if you've been following my journey so far, I promise you that I'll be documenting it and walking you through the experiences that I have, the lessons I learned, the mistakes, and everything. And it's been a while since I've shared like my current situation in terms of career-wise, how much I'm making or what I'm working on, what projects, what businesses, etc. So in this video, I want to give you a quick update. Now, about 3 months ago was the last time I got like some dollars enter my bank account. And since then, I haven't earned any single dollar for my work or for my business. And the reason for that being is because I've been building in the shadows. I've been working on building an AI software or product that I'm gonna start selling very soon. And when I start selling it, I'm aiming to sell it for, thousands and thousands of dollars to a lot of clients. And what this AI product does, it's an AI appointment setter. And it's very advanced to the degree that when I launched the test of it, the users, first of all, they thought that they were speaking with me. But it turned out that they were speaking to the AI appointment setter. And what it does is basically plugs into other businesses and helps them qualify potential prospects and leads, and basically gets them more booked goals, therefore more money. So this is what I've been building. It took a lot of time to build, and it reached a very advanced level where now I can sell it for a lot of money. But all I have to do is start with the marketing. I have a potential partnership that might happen where my partner takes care of the marketing and I take care of improving the software, and therefore we'd make a good team so that we can sell this software for a lot of money. And this is where the money starts kicking in and I make more profits, etc. And what I can tell you, from this journey is that sometimes we earn a lot of money and sometimes we don't. And for that, like because of that, there's a reason, or let's say there's a season for earning and there's a season for learning. And I believe that a while ago, like 3 months ago, I was in a season of earning. I was earning a bit of money for my AI agency, from my AI agency, sorry, and, servicing some clients. But then I decided that, okay, I just want to focus on this one service. I want to make it the best out there in the market so that I'm not selling commodities or like services that could be found out there pretty easily. So, yeah, I focus on that. And for the past 3 months, I believe I was in the season of learning where I improved my development skills. I improved my appointment setting skills so that I can build this all-in-one software which I can sell to other businesses and kind of automate or even replace this hard job for them. And this is where I provide them with a lot of value and they provide me with the money. It's the exchange of value, but in different forms. But yeah, so there's a season of earning and there's my camera cut off. So there's a season of earning and there's a season of learning. And just you need to know in which season you are, because if you think that you're in the season of earning but you're not earning money, then you're kind of mistaken and you're in the season of learning. Because when you work on improving your skills and yourself, most of the time you'd be focusing on just learning. And when the right time comes and you want to test how much you've learned, this is where you start earning by, offering your skill set, your expertise, whatever it is. And yeah, just be patient. I've faced a lot of hard moments while I'm in the season. I was asking myself, like, why am I not earning money at the moment? And I should be earning money at once. So these thoughts, because we wanna have the tangible results in our pockets. Sometimes we become impatient and we'd be like, I deserve this thing now, or I just want everything to happen now. But just calm down, trust the process, stay patient, and you will get what you earn. Um, yeah, I think this is what I can tell you. So if you're watching this and you're an entrepreneur or you're working on whatever project you have on yourself, just stay patient and later on you will reap what you sow. And no, just remember that, if you're aiming to make a lot of money, that money is a lagging indicator. So what you do now, you will earn the money, but later on. So it will be lagging. There would be a gap between when you learn and then when you earn the actual money. So keep on working now because as you keep as you stay consistent while working, after time, you will reach the rewards, you will get the money, you will get whatever you aim to achieve. Not everything is about money, but I'm just saying that because I know that, in the majority of the cases, if you're watching, you want to know how to make money or how you want to overcome this kind of lack of patience and just win in the entrepreneurship or business game. Like that's why I've made this channel is because if you're on your journey as well, you aren't seeing a lot of results and you need some guidance in business and in entrepreneurship basically. I hope to provide this guidance. So all I ask from you, ladies and gents, is to take care, take risks, and I'll see you in the next one.